Hey guys, it's Kim Angeldreamcrafts, and I am here with my next kit. I'm calling this my Rhinestone Sari bundle, and I only have 3 of these, so these will probably go really fast. If they're sold out and you want a Sari bundle, I can do similar bundles, but they won't have a couple of the pieces that I'm showing here now. They won't have this beautiful full of rhinestone piece. I mean, come on, that's beautiful. But I do have a lot of the fabrics that I'm going to show, but it won't have a couple of the rhinestone pieces. So just be aware of that if you're ordering one and you're past the 3 people who ordered these. So as I showed, this is a beautiful piece, and this is a collar piece. 2 of them are going to have the collar piece, which will be curved like this, and the 3rd one will just have a straight row of this. It'll just be like in a straight line. They're all the same size, so there's no difference. It's just 2 are curved and 1 is straight. So this is all rhinestones, and it's absolutely gorgeous. It's so beautiful. You can cut this individually if you like, take small pieces. You can use this whole piece on a piece of clothing if you wanted to. It's beautiful. It's so pretty. It has a piece of string on it, which I will get off later. But anyway, it's absolutely gorgeous. So beautiful, gorgeous sari piece there. It will have one of these pieces in it on the netting, a little applique. It will have this piece, and this is on a red sari piece with the gold trim here, and then these are dimensional gold, sort of like mesh bling, I guess. Each kit will have one of these pieces in the peach and gray with the sequins and all this beautiful embroidered work. It's absolutely gorgeous. It will have a piece of this trim. So sparkly, that has the little mirrors on it. Some of the rhinestone leaves, which I love these. I'm going to try and keep some for myself. We'll see. And then this is like the showstopper piece in each of these kits. This is absolutely amazing. This, I hope the camera will pick it up, these are all knotted, like French knots. I don't know if my camera will pick that up, but those are all French knots. They're all hand done, as you can see. The workmanship in this is incredible. All rhinestones. This is very heavy. It's really just, I mean, gorgeous. You know, you could cut this bottom part off, make that a trim, make this a trim, make that a trim if you wanted to. You could cut these motifs out individually. There's lots you can do with it, or you can just look at it because it's so sparkly and so pretty. It's really, you know, there's no words. There's no words. It's just beautiful. It's so pretty. There is this piece with these gorgeous, again, these are all sequins here with little French knots on each sequin. Like, it's just incredible, the workmanship. This is all embroidered here with the sequins. So there'll be a piece of this. There will be a piece of these pretty roses, all sequins and wire embroidery. And then this is like a gold wire. So pretty. There's this beautiful piece again, more rhinestones, more beautiful workmanship. So pretty. All those little leaves you could cut out and add to a project. Then you could cut this section, and this section. So there's really like 4 trims. 4 trims there. You could cut the flowers out individually. Tons you can do with this piece. Absolutely gorgeous. And then last week I had the sister fabric of this, which was not beaded, but this week it's beaded. It's got gold rhinestones and seed beads in it. and it's rose gold, and you'll get a nice piece of that, nice big piece. Lots you can do. This is all beaded all along here as well. All in through here is beaded. All of the flowers are beaded all the way up with rhinestones and little beads. So another heavy piece, really. And then I left the rose gold fabric on the back because, you know, if you're like me, you can use this to make flowers with. The plain fabric, but isn't that so pretty? Love it. A nice big piece of this. One trim here, another trim here, and then another trim here, but lots you can work with. Beautiful black and gold floral here. I mean, they're just beautiful fabrics. They really are. This is a new piece, and I want to say one thing about this piece. Two of the pieces have the red stone here. One of them does not. I'm going to try and find a gemstone of some kind in my stash to fix it, but it's still beautiful without it. You know, just pretend that's not there. It's still beautiful. The base for it is there. It's just the red stone is missing. So one of the kits is going to have this with an altered stone or a missing stone. And I'm packing them all up, so it's luck of the draw who gets that one. But that can easily be fixed if you have one in your stash. And I wanted to say that before these were sold. Somebody's going to get that without the red stone in it. 2 people will have the red stone. So it's beautiful anyway. These are all individual trims you could cut out, but look at all those rhinestones. I mean, it's amazing. So there's the big motif and the small motif. And then this piece, also a nice big piece of this, and this has rhinestones on it as well. Look at the rhinestones. They're beautiful. And then there's little stones on this one, and then a row of the rhinestones. Beautiful, gorgeous fabric. There's a nice long piece of this, which has 2 of this motif and 2 of this motif with the purple netting. And then there is one in the turquoise netting. And these are basically, yeah, they're the same pattern, only one is on purple netting and one is on the turquoise netting. But you're getting both in this kit, so that's cool. Lots to do with these. These are beautiful. I almost didn't cut this one up. I think I said that last week too. And then this is new, and I love it. And I think you guys will too. Look at this fabric. It has peacock feathers on it. Beautiful, gorgeous peacock feathers on just an amazing dark turquoise background. These are all embroidered. So beautiful. You could cut these out individually. I gasped when I saw this fabric because I loved it so much. I love the colors. Oh, it's just, I love it. I'm going to try and do a project with some of this fabric, so we'll see how that goes, if I can get that done. So there's a nice big piece of that in your kit. There's a piece of this beautiful red and gold sari, and it also has the under skirt part on it as well. Nice piece of this beautiful turquoise, gold, and white. Lovely piece of this beautiful fabric, which I love. I love this fabric. And then last but not least in this kit is a big piece of sari silk in blue and red. And there's lots you can do with this. It's very fine silk. But these make beautiful bags, you know, these make gorgeous rolled flowers. You can do all good gathers like a dream because it's silk. It's absolutely gorgeous. So let me count here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the beautiful peacock. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, this big piece with all these beautiful beads on it. What did I say, 10? Oh my goodness. I know you're yelling at the screen right now saying, that's what you said. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 is the stunner. I mean, wow. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and the beautiful rhinestone collar, which is just incredible. This kit is $20 plus shipping. I only have 3. So first come, first serve. Thanks, guys. Let me know. You can email me down below. It's $20 plus shipping. Thanks, guys. Bye for now.